Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on cloud computing. And in this video we'll explore the fascinating world of cloud computing, its various components and why it has become such a crucial aspect of modern technology. So let's dive in. So firstly, the main things is that what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a revolutionary concept that has transformed the way businesses and individuals use and manage their digital resources. In simple terms, it involves accessing and utilizing computing services and resources over the internet rather than relying solely on local infrastructure. The shift to the cloud offers numerous benefits such as increased scalability, cost effectiveness, and flexibility. Okay, so the next thing is about the type of cloud services. At first, there are three primary types of cloud services: infrastructure as a service like IaaS, platform as a service PaaS, and software as a service. So mainly broadly three types of cloud service: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Let's take a closer look at each one. Firstly, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Okay, so IaaS provides user with virtualized computing resources such as virtual machines, storage, networks. With IaaS, users have more control over their infrastructure and can easily scale up or down based on their needs. Popular IaaS providers include Amazon Web Service, which also known as AWS, Microsoft Azure, and also Google Cloud Platform, which most known for its famous storage capacity. Okay, so the next thing is about platform as a service or PaaS. Platform as a service or PaaS offers a platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications without the need to manage the underlying infrastructure. It provides a complete development environment including operating system, database, and programming languages. Some well-known PaaS providers include Heroku, IBM Cloud Foundry, and Oracle Cloud Platform. So the next thing is about software as a service, SaaS. SaaS allows users to access software applications directly over the internet without the need for installation or maintenance. This model is commonly used for applications like customer relationship management, CRM, email address, and collaboration tools. Popular examples of SaaS include Salesforce, Google Workplace, and Dropbox. Mainly, we should know about the key features of component of cloud computing. To better understand cloud computing, let's explore its key features and components that make it all work seamlessly. At first, virtualizations. One of the fundamental features of cloud computing is virtualization. It allows physical resources such as server, storage, networks to be abstracted and divided into virtual instances which can be easily allocated to the users as need. Virtualization ensures efficient resource utilization and flexibility in managing computing resources. On-demand self-service. So what is this? With cloud computing, users can provision and managing computing resources on demand without the need for direct human intervention. This self-service capability empowers users to rapidly scale resources up or down as required, enabling a dynamic and responsive computing environment. So, resource pooling. So, what is resource pooling? In cloud computing, resource pooling are pooled together to serve multiple users simultaneously. These resources include computing power, storage, and network bandwidth. By pooling resources, cloud service providers can optimize their utilization and offer more cost-effective solutions to users. The next thing is about common cloud computing use cases. Now that we understand the key components of cloud computing, let's explore some common use cases where cloud computing is extensively utilized. Firstly, e-commerce. Cloud computing enables e-commerce platforms to handle varying level of traffic, ensuring seamless user experience during peak times. It also provides secure and scalable storage for product categories, customer data, and transaction records. So, Next is about healthcare. The healthcare industry benefits greatly from cloud computing. It enables secure storage and sharing of patient records, allows for real-time collaboration among healthcare professionals and facilities, the development of innovative telemedicine solutions. It's about finance. Cloud computing helps financial instructions with tasks like risk analysis, fraud detection, and high-frequency trading. It offers robust security measures and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements, making it a reliable choice for sensitive financial data. Education. Cloud computing has revolutionized education by providing collaborative platforms for students and teachers. It offers access to educational resources from anywhere, facilitates online learning environments, and allows for efficient administration for educational institutions. In education, security and privacy in the cloud. Security and privacy are paramount in cloud computing. Cloud service providers implement various measures to ensure that data protection and maintain user trust. At first, data protection, data encryption. Sensitive data is encrypted both during transit and at rest within the cloud infrastructure. Encryption techniques such as SSL, TLS, and AES are commonly employed to safeguard data from unauthorized access. Access controls. Cloud providers implement robust access controls, including multi-factor authentications and role-based access management to prevent unauthorized access to resource and data. Compliance and certifications. Reputable cloud service providers adhere to industry-specific compliance standards and certifications such as HIPAA for healthcare data or PCI DSS for payment card information. This certification ensures that the cloud infrastructure meets rigorous security requirements. In conclusion, cloud computing revolutionized the way we store, access, and manage digital resources. Its scalability, cost effectiveness, and flexibility make it a powerful tool for individuals and business alike. I hope this video was provide you with a comprehensive overview of cloud computing. If you have any question or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting content. Okay.